Hi everyone, welcome back to another Top 5 video.
My name is Ken, this is Felix, and we have the Zmorph FAB.
What's special about this machine is it's actually a 3-in-1.
And a 3-in-1 means that we've got 3D printing,
CNC milling,
and laser engraving.
So let's get into it.
One of my favorite things about the Zmorph FAB is how good of a printer this is at heart. We have a direct extrusion system with a filament sensor. On the build platform, it is heated and it comes with a glass plate. Along with the full enclosure, this allows it to print many different types of materials. And to top it all off, we have a closed loop system, something that we don't see in printers in its comparable price range.
The Zmorph comes with everything that you need to be safe, right out of the box. For 3D printing, you have the HEPA filter that comes standard with all of our Zmorphs. This will filter out any harmful particles that come out when printing with filament. For the milling operation, the Zmorph comes fully enclosed. This will protect you from any debris, although it's still recommended to wear safety goggles. And there's also an emergency stop button should you see the need to use it if you see the machine crashing. And lastly, for the laser operations, you have safety goggles to protect you while lasering.
You might think that an all-in-one printer is overly complicated. You couldn't be further from the truth. You can actually go from 3D printing all the way to CNCing in less than 4 minutes. Check out our unboxing video from the description below.
Out of all the tool changes that we've tested here at Shop 3D, Zmorph has one of the best mounting systems out there. It's a simple clamp on some magnets, and there's a ton of mounting spots for all of your clamps, your fixtures, and your workpiece. Once you're done with that, just slide it right back in, clamp it, and you're good to go. This gives you a ton of flexibility because you can go from milling to engraving and anything in between very, very quickly.
Having an all-in-one is all about flexibility. The flexibility to go from 3D printing to laser engraving to CNC cutting in a matter of minutes. But there's actually more modules out there. We also have the option of a paste extruder and a dual extrusion head. And who knows, there's more possibilities to upgrade in the future.
If you're an educator, a library, or a makerspace, this machine is really good because it saves you a ton of space.
This is a great all-in-one solution. It looks great, it feels great, and it performs flawlessly.
And if you have any questions about this machine, please drop us a comment below and we'll answer any of your questions. And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
And if you want to get the complete kit with the 3D printing, the laser engraving, and the CNC cutting, get it today at shop3d.ca.